Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the topic mitochondria or mitochondrion. So in our last video we have discussed the lysosomes and the vacuole, and these all are the part of the endomembrane system. Because these different organelles, these are interrelated, but now the mitochondria, that is not included in the endomembrane system, because the function of this mitochondria, that is totally different from them, and it is independent of those organelles. So let us discuss. So mitochondria, that is the plural one, and singular we can say the mitochondrion. And this organelle, it is the membrane bound organelles present in the cell, and it is the site of respiration. Site of respiration means the site of breakdown of the food to release energy, because after digestion the food that enter into our blood, and finally it is transported to the cell, and in the cell the breakdown of that food to release energy is done by the mitochondria. So it is the site of the respiration. So because it is generating the energy, so it is the powerhouse of the cell or the semi-autonomous organelle. Semi-autonomous means half autonomous, means ये अपना आधा काम अपने आप ही कर लेती है. Why? Because it has its own DNA and ribosomes. It can make its own protein. So it is known as the semi-autonomous organelle. And the number of mitochondria that vary in different cells. So it depends upon the physiology of the body, that in some cells there is the requirement of the large number of mitochondria, like in case of sperm. The sperm, that is the male germ cell or the male gamete, and the sperm have to travel the long distance, and for that there is the requirement of the energy, and this energy is provided by the mitochondria. So the number of the mitochondria that vary in different cells, and it depend upon the requirement of the cell. The size of the mitochondria, that is 0.2 to 1 micrometer in diameter and 1 to 4.1 micrometer in length. It is the double membrane structure. The shape of the cell, the double membrane is there, because here the outer membrane and the inner membrane. The size of the mitochondria, that is the saucer-like or the cylindrical shape. Saucer-like means the round or the oval, means cylindrical shape जैसी होगी. So it is known as the saucer-like or the cylindrical shape. Here some space is present between the outer and the inner membrane, and that space is known as intermembrane space. So intermembrane space is present in the mitochondria, and the inner membrane of the mitochondria, that is not continuous. That is not continuous. There is the finger-like projections are coming from this inner membrane, and these finger-like projections are known as the crista or the cristae, and these finger-like projections bear the F1 particles or the oxysomes, which having the enzyme ATP synthetase, means which help in the formation of ATP, because ATP, that is the energy currency of the cell, adenosine triphosphate. तो एनर्जी जो प्रोड्यूस होगी, दैट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ATP, और उस ATP को बनाने वाले एंजाइम कहाँ होंगे? इन क्रिस्टीज के ऊपर. ओके, so that is the finger like projections known as the cristae. And the inner means the space or the inner structure, that is the matrix. And because mitochondria, that is the semi autonomous organelle, so it have the circular DNA and also the ribosomes. So with the help of the ribosomes and the DNA, it can make its own protein, and so it is known as the semi autonomous organelle. Powerhouse of the cell, because it help in the formation of the ATP. ATP means that is the energy currency. The energy currency of the cell is the ATP, and the inner membrane or the inner finger like projections called the cristae, having the particles, and these are known as the F1 particles, having the enzyme ATP synthetase, which help in the formation of the ATP in the mitochondria. So the breakdown of the food to release energy means the respiration that takes place in the mitochondria, and it provides the energy to the cell. So that energy is used in the various processes. And the ribosomes in the mitochondria, that are of 70S type in the mitochondria. So what is the function of the mitochondria? It is the site of the respiration. It provides the energy in the form of the ATP, and it is the semi-autonomous organelle. So that is the function of the mitochondria, and it is the powerhouse of the cell. The size 0.2 to 1 micrometer in width and 1.0 to 4.1 micrometer in length. Double membrane structure, outer membrane and the inner membrane. Inner membrane is not continuous, having the finger like projections known as cristae, and the inner structure is the matrix, and in the matrix the DNA is present and the ribosomes is present. It can make its own protein, so it is known as the semi-autonomous organelle. So that is about the mitochondria. I hope you understood. Thank you.